Hello, as I promised, very short but deep tutorial about how Cecils make your time collage. And this is the the basis of anything. If you want to create something new or you want to create something yourself, you need to go by the main steps of logic. You make analysis, then you make synthesis, and some other steps which I don't know in English. In Russian we call it анализ, абстрагирование, обобщение и синтез. When you're done at this point, you can make yourself, you can express yourself in your own works. So you can take the work of Cecil, understand how to make take the work of Joe Pease, Dirkoy, any other artists or any other motion designers, and then understand what they do, how they do it, and later create your own. Of course, if you do something that you want to make statement, you need to make your own kind of art, not copy. But anyway, anything is created by the analysis and synthesis. This is the way how you study music. This is the way how you study art. You copy masterpieces or you copy some works which inspires you. And in After Effects, it's hard just to copy. You need to understand the technical side. And if you understand it great, you can create your own, something new, something what you want to do. And if some works inspires you, you copy it. This is how I make all my works. I copy, then learn, and then create myself. And usually when I send my works to the artists, I usually send my works to the artist, the copies. I doesn't put it to Instagram. I made copy and then send to artist with my wondering question: am I right? Do you do it like this? Does you do it like this or not? And usually artists or famous motion designers tell me, wow, great, come on, tag me. If you share it, I will tag you, and etc. But the Cecil said that this is secret because she need to get some money from this. So, okay, not a problem. So I don't know how it's done, really. So this is just my wondering. Okay, if we say this work, it's all time collage works are like all the same. This is stop motion like motion. And you can see that there is some kind of keying or masking which mask some objects. This is not random. This is not turbulent noise. This is something what make around objects, around hands, around head, around body, etc., around clouds. So we need to do something with keying. It could be any kind of technique, you know. I prefer mask prompter, as everybody know, but here I use basic linear key in After Effects. So what we can do? We can do like this. Let's go in my sources, because this is not how Cecil make it. This is my trying to understand how she make it. So I use basic combination of two linear keys. It's really basic. This is just I put two keys on two key colors. They just I pointed somewhere in the sky, 1 and 2. By this I make some selection of something. There is nothing. Yeah, and I made time remap. Sure, I made time remap, and I don't do it because I need to synchronize time remap in two compositions and echo. I made it by expressions. You can copy it from the screen. It's not very hard. So I made it, you name it, and I have a special null where I pointed how many frames is in my stop motion. 6 frames, or 0.24 milliseconds. 24 milliseconds. All right. Let's go further. Next, I make fill, fastbox, blur, and levels. This is basic technique for anything what you call liquid motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And by this I made masks. You cannot do it without fill, you cannot do it without fastbox blur, it will be the same. So I need to do this, but I need the information from the footage, so I use this as mask for footage. Next step, I use Simple Choker to create this kind of growing bulbs. Bum, 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 bum. Simple Choker animated by keys. And I also synchronize it with my main null by very, very simple expression. Just that Simple Choker should work every 6 seconds. Bam, bam. So these keys are, no matter how far or near these keys, this expression make them every 6 seconds. Bam, bam, bam. So without expression, with expression. All right. After this, when I done at these points, I have mask. With this mask, I have my first layer. Bam, bam, bam. With growing bulbs. After this, what I should do? I make the same layer which just make stop frames. So this is like without Simple Choker. I can be more clever and just copy this composition and delete Simple Choker animation. But I thought that maybe with time remap it could be better, right? So it's up to you. I make time remap which simply freezes Simple Choker's animation. Bam. Tuk, 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 tuk. With adjustment layer, with echo, which combined with 24 milliseconds, yeah, is the same one. It's the same 6 frames per second. I have this kind of collage. And what I need to do more is show the growing of the bulbs. Here it is, my Simple Choker. Bam, 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 bam. All right, so we have what we want to have. This is time collage, looks like Cecil. Of course, there is much more better color because she works also with the visual of this. And when you're understanding how she done it, you can make something yourself. You can have just deeper understanding what you can do in After Effects and do something yours. You can copy her if some of, for example, customer asks you to do the same, and they, for example, not Spanish, they, for example, Russian, and they have no way to connect to Spain. Spanish artists, they will ask you, so you can do the same. Or, for example, if you're living in London, then why you looking at this? And then why you looking at such tutorials? All right. So have a nice day. Be smarter, be deeper, and use logic to understand what you want to recreate. Bye.